combination of a jet turning a propeller, very efficient on fuel consumption. 1,500 have been manufactured and are still being manufactured. The difference between this aircraft and eliminated the flight engineer position due to automation. They have increased the efficiency of the engines, but they have a very sophisticated prop on the front. It's built by the Doughty company, and it has some very unique curves to it. In service for a long time. I often compare them to the C-47s of World War II. Whatever you asked a Douglas C-47 to do, it did. It could do multiple jobs. Well, this airplane is the same way. It can be a gunship. It can provide humanitarian relief. There is a squadron of C-130 pilots in Schenectady, New York, and they service the Antarctic, where we have our substations, research stations. They have to get resupplied with personnel and also supplies, scientific from Youngstown Air National Guard Base. Tommy Lavelle from Cleveland, Ohio. Joining in the pilot's position. Now, what they train to do quite often, that aircraft carrier, he was a very humble guy. He said, "No, Dan," he said, "we had all kinds of room. We had 7 feet. So when you land or take off, you had to be on the center line of that aircraft carrier." Well, while he was successful, they decided to go to a smaller twin-engine COD aircraft. Carrier on board delivery is what that means. But that's a fact, and if that name flatly sounds familiar, knows. You see that excessive rate of descent? Power comes back, the speed stabilizes. Now to look for a target altitude, reduce the rate of descent back to a normal rate of descent, and target the speed, which changes quite often on the touchdown after the approach. You'll see the big balloon tires as well. They spread the weight of the aircraft around a great area, and they provide greater braking because of their size. In come the reversers, which take Tommy Lavelle, Cleveland, Ohio, in the Air Force Reserves, the airplane from Youngstown, Air National Guard Base. Nick Morgan is the other pilot on board. And there is the American flag. Give them a wave, if you will, up and down the flight line. They're going to love to see your animation. They cannot hear your applause, but I know Tommy and Nick